Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the recipe of my all-time favorite cake, which is mango cake. This cake is fully loaded with mangoes and definitely mango lovers will like it. When mango season is in full swing, do give a try. I baked this cake for my Amma's birthday and she really liked it. Let's begin by making the sponge cake. Take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour in a strainer. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In goes pinch of salt. I'm sifting the flour mix. Take 4 eggs in a mixing bowl and beat it until it turns frothy. When the egg turns frothy, add in 1 cup of powdered sugar. We have to add powdered sugar little by little and continue beating. The egg has risen and doubled in volume. The sponginess of the cake depends on how well we are beating the eggs. This should be the texture of the egg and the sugar mix. Add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. In goes half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I normally make this sponge cake and give many flavors to the cake. You could see the egg has doubled in volume and light cream in color. Now gently fold in the flour mix. We have to add the flour mix little by little and continue mixing. Meanwhile, add in 1/4 cup of hot milk while folding the flour mix. Do not use electric beater while folding in the flour mix. This batter has a lot of air in it, so we have to handle it gently. Look at it friends, this should be the consistency of the cake batter. The cake batter is ready now and it's time to bake the cake. I have taken a 7-inch cake tin and lined it with butter sheet. Grease the cake tin with oil. Bake the cake for 35 to 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Well, the baking time depends on your oven type. The sponge cake is perfectly baked and cool it slightly. I have unmolded the cake and placed it on a wire rack to cool it. Usually, I prepare the cake on the previous day itself. After cooling the cake completely, I have wrapped it in a cling film. On next day, I have sliced the cake into 3 equal parts. Next, I am going to prepare the mango sauce. I have sliced these mangoes and pureed in a mixer grinder. The mango puree weighed around 300 grams. I am cooking the mango puree in a kadai on low flame. When the mango puree slightly boils, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Well, the quantity of sugar depends on the sweetness of the mango you take. So adjust the sugar level accordingly. We should not overcook the mangoes, so once you add the sugar and when the sugar is melted, you can switch off the flame. Mango sauce is ready now and cool it completely. I have taken 1/4 cup of whipping cream and added a drop of yellow color. Whip the cream nicely like this. For simple syrup, I have taken half a cup of hot water and added 3 teaspoons of mango sauce. Cool the mango simple syrup completely. I am going to frost the cake now. I have taken a cake board and placed it in a turntable. Apply little whipping cream so that the cake stays firm. Place the first layer of cake and soak it with the simple syrup. We have to soak the cake with simple syrup nicely so that the cake stays moist. I have taken the whipping cream in a piping bag and spreading on top of the cake. Level the whipping cream with a spatula. Add in little mango sauce on top of the cream. I have taken this in a piping bag so that it will be easy to work on the cake. Spread the mango sauce with the spatula. Now place the second layer of the cake on top of the mango sauce. Soak the cake with the simple syrup. Apply a layer of whipping cream. Basically, we are following the same step which we did before. First comes the cake, then simple syrup, whipping cream and finally mango sauce. Now I am giving crumb coating with the whipping cream. To crumb coat the cake, we have to cover the cake with a thin layer of whipping cream. Crumb coating is ready and I am placing the cake in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. The cake is taken out of refrigerator and I am covering the cake with a thick layer of whipping cream. There is no specific method to cover the cake with the whipping cream, so use any method which suits you. I normally prefer taking the whipping cream in a piping bag so that it is easy to work on the cake. I am using the scraper to level the cake. The cake is covered with whipping cream and I am going to decorate it. This is flower nozzle and giving a floral design. Now the cake looks simple, beautiful and elegant. I am adding freshly chopped mangoes at the center of the cake. Look at it friends, how beautiful the cake looks now. I have added golden sprinkles on top of the small flowers. Refrigerate the cake for 15 minutes. I have taken this cake out of the fridge and giving this dripping effect with the mango sauce. This adds more beauty to the mango cake. A delicious, beautiful looking mango cake is ready now. My Amma loves mango, so I choose to make this for her birthday. My Amma has cut the first piece since it is for her birthday. The cake has 3 layers of sponge cake and loaded with mango sauce, whipping cream and mango infused simple syrup. If you are a mango lover, then definitely you should give a try. Look at it friends, how spongy the cake has turned out. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. Do try this mango cake and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.